For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Today human connection and socialization have become predominantly virtual. One can't disregard the new online entertainment blast. A great many people have moved their social and business connections to their telephones or PC. Government-issued money acquisition of land are very known about. However, virtual buy land through virtual monetary standards is a completely original idea. Check this outline before we start with Decentraland cost forecast. In light of the Ethereum blockchain with an unquestionable record of possession, the Decentraland foundation of the game has been made to connect an all-new command over the virtual place that is known for clients who can now buy, fabricate and adapt augmented reality applications through Decentraland. Decentraland clients are better enabled to assume responsibility for the climate and applications they make inside their territory. The Authority online entertainment record of the stage generally keeps its perspectives refreshed with impending occasions. An extensive information of the arrangement made is recorded on the blockchain, and subsequently the data on this computer-generated experience stage is free from even a hint of harm. Decentraland, laying the foundation. As the quickest developing virtual world, Decentraland was created by an Argentinian gathering in 2016 by Esteban Ordano and Ariel Mielich with Chief Executive Officer James Ashton. Decentraland has brought $25.5 million up in financing from 6 high-profile clients. It incorporates Animoca Brands, Boost VC, Fabric Ventures, Genesis One Capital, Fundamental Labs, and George Burke. Decentraland's designers have taken an exceptionally insightful and light gave way to deal with building the game's basic layers. New ventures and organizations in the cryptographic money market are now in progress to make this computerized world a modern and drawing-in substitute reality, which will probably become omnipresent and habit-forming. What should be seen here is that right from commencement, and according to the most recent news and venture guidance by crypto specialists and experts, the coin showed no development and lay drowsy with no beam of expectation for clients. In spite of the fact that there were changes and improvements occurring in the innovation of blockchain, this resource stayed lazy to move an inch. At the starting time, the cost of Decentraland digital currency was around $0.024 in December 2017. Afterward, it flooded and crossed the 24-cent mark, however confronted dismissal and recovered past help levels. The Decentraland cost didn't actually stamp huge developments and kept on exchanging a comparative cost range till the start of this current year. Then, as though with the power of a torrent wave, the coin cleared its path through numerous different partners. Decentraland price predictions, market sentiment. Going by the specialized investigation, Decentraland cost has had a notable journey all through contrasted with other computerized resources, and that could be the main role for its fame as well. The ongoing cost of Decentraland digital currency remains at the worth of $3.04 with a market cap of $5,637,457,701.47 with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $1,231,753 with a circling mana supply of $1,832,129,198 mana, and in most recent 24 hours the Decentraland cost has been changed by -6.09%. Market specialists have 2022 value forecast of $5.30. This mana gauge addresses a move of 86% this year. In like manner, while the opinion encompassing the mana crypto has been exceptionally negative before, the wallet investor expresses that mana is supposed to offer 450% ROI by 5 years to Decentraland financial backers. The mana cost is estimated to reach $3.39023 by the start of February 2022 according to our cost forecast. As per Decentraland cost expectation 2022, the normal greatest exchanging cost is $3.43703. The base exchanging cost of mana tokens is $2.33718 in 1 year. The Decentraland mana cost expectation for the finish of 2022 is $3.45688. In view of our Mana cost figure, the token kept on enlisting an enormous bull run and remained profoundly unstable. The greatest cost for 2022 is supposed to be around $5.58. In the event that this bull run proceeds with the Decentraland cost can reach $16.63 in 2025. Decentraland price prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks ahead for the digital currency market, Decentraland, MANA, token is good to go to support serious areas of strength for it has a significant fascination among numerous financial backers and traders. According to the positive Mana gauge and future market capitalization, the street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Decentraland cost, taking it to cross all hindrances scaling above $4.80 in the market of the crypto according to our impartial crypto estimate for the year 2022 Decentraland Mana cost expectation. As per the ongoing value pattern and figure, clients ought to contribute at the current crypto market costs to acquire critical benefit from here on out. Decentraland estimate by specialists proposes, contributing at the ongoing value level might give extensive revisitations of merchants in the close to term and they would have the option to pursue a choice whether they ought to contribute or sell Decentraland. As per the price expectation for Mana, the crypto cost will reach $5.10 by 2022. The anticipated Decentraland cost can additionally ascend to $5.80 by the December. Market examiners gauge the Mana to exchange around $8 toward the finish of the following year, which is 279% of the ongoing cost at the hour of composing. Decentraland price prediction 2023. Decentraland, MANA, has laid out a quick, solid organization and worked with the client experience of the item. In light of our Decentraland cost figures, these elements can help the Mana token increase a lot greater cost of $6.70 in 2023. If the drive for practical crypto go on into 2023, the crypto may try and see a worldview rush according to our Decentraland Mana cost expectation 2023. Decentraland price prediction 2024. Breaking down Decentraland Mana cost expectation for the year. There are many conjectures going ahead for Decentraland, MANA. Particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the organization has plans on, there are not many Decentraland conjecture that the Mana cost might reach $8 in the crypto market. Decentraland, MANA, price prediction 2025. Decentraland is additionally dynamic in local area drives and through which we are hopeful about the Symbolic's future development as far as various elements